switched to the right at the last second. Yeah, that's right. Kill him good.
Bro, he's fucking slow. Oh, bro.
I was trying to squeeze in, and I didn't see the road getting smaller.
He's like, you should take me.
I was like, oh no. So I tried to get in as I could, but I was already going too fast.
You see the dude on the bike?
Oh, what is this? What is this?
This is traffic, bro. This is traffic.
I think it's fitting that I'm listening to a Japanese rock band on a Japanese track.
Wow, traffic is really wild out right now. Hold on. This guy in front of you don't know what to do. Oh, yeah. Right outside. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God.
He alive.
I started sliding out. Came around two cars pulled. Oh my God.
That was looking scary.
What the fuck?
No!
Bro, I just died out of nowhere.
You jumped out of your car.
How?
What do you mean how? You opened up the door.
Bro, what the fuck?
I saw the whole thing. You just opened up. You said, I think now's a good time to get out.
Bro, I can't type, I can't do shit. Don't move, I'm just gonna log in now. What the fuck? Bro, I was
You just
driving.
left?
What?
You just left?
I had to log out, I couldn't fucking do anything.
Oh, you couldn't use your god powers to bring yourself back?
Bro, I got out for some reason, it just took me straight to the pause menu. Bro, I didn't even, like, on my screen, I just died, and it got paused.
Yeah, no, on my screen, you jumped out the car.
Oh my God.
I was like, yo, what is he doing?
Bro, what? Is my car still there?
We
I don't know what the fuck he said. Hold on,
were
shit
going
lit.
fast, yo. He said,
Well,
I
I'm
just see
right.
your bald head poking out the window. I was like, oh no.
I send the kite, few
no,
guys,
he said,
got them on sight, spill them, well I'm right. Play with your light, look, I don't look twice, I heard whatever y'all on, they gon' die, they slip, leave them on sight, right?
And I'm saying you were happy.
No,
It looked like a conscious decision.
Nah, on my screen, it was definitely like, I'm sitting there just chilling, driving by, I'm fucking dead.
And I'm over here worried about your mental health.